Hi Mr. Rajas. Just a quick little video to just give you an idea of our generator sets. Comes with a 404 series Perkins engine. Stanford alternator. In this one, we've got a base fuel tank of 265 litres, which starts from here, goes all the way to the back. However, we can extend this to about, I think it's 350 litres. But the tank is required because it's part of the foundation of the generator, so it's not something we can take out of the generator. So it will be inside regardless. Even if you want to take it out and replace it and put it somewhere else, then that's not a problem. I'll just give you an idea. For everything. Radiator filling cap. That's if you have them with the canopy. If you don't, then you don't have to. Everything will be open anyway. This in particular is a 20 kVA, and all our generators come with the Deep Sea 73 20 MK2, and this is quite a extensive control panel. It gives you all the readings, the RPMs, the speed sensing, everything will be displayed in that. The only thing that is not on this generator, which is not standard, is the gateway, but I've included that in your price, so you've got the gateway. We've got a 100 kVA here that's got it, if I'm not mistaken. One moment. That's basically where it will fit. That's not a gateway 890, by the way, but we'll have it. Battery charger is standard, by the way, if required.